Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and today also I have come up with another unboxing video. In this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of automatic umbrella. So hey guys, my name is Milind and you're watching my YouTube channel Milind's First Session. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So here we can see the packaging of the box. I have purchased it from the Flipkart, and it cost around 400 rupees. So here is the umbrella, which is wrapped in plastic wrapper, and again you can see that there is one pocket also, that is the cloth wrapping or the cloth packet where you can put your. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get such kind of videos regularly. So here I tried to open this umbrella, but it actually locked here. So I have removed it, and after that I have taken the cloth cover from the umbrella, and here you can see that very nicely packed, nicely button. You have to just press that button, and automatically opens up. So initially I didn't know how to open it, so I was struggling to open it, and after that I came to know about that, and that is the opening of the umbrella. You can see that the beauty of umbrella, and the sticks of this umbrella is actually plastic made. It is not a metal or it is not a steel, so therefore it weighs very lightweight. And again, to close it you have to just press the button, and you have to press it like this. Okay, so initially it was very difficult for me to complete it, and I was struggling to lock it and close it, but later on I came to know that you have to press it, and when you press it, it will automatically closed out. So you have to give the pressure on both your hands, and you have to